I have a Toro recycler with 149cc/6.75 horsepower Kohler engine. It has not primer bulb. It will start but immediately stalls out. I have changed the air filter, oil and gasoline. I have also replaced the spark plug.
Thank you for choosing me to help you. My name is XXXXX XXXXX. I will do my best to help you find the answer you need to resolve your problem. You need to clean out your carburetor and also check for the proper operation of the float inside it. Remove the air filter and the air filter base so you can see your carburetor. Pinch off or shut off your fuel line. At the center bottom of the carburetor there is a small bolt head. Remove this bolt and the float bowl should come off. Inside is the float. When you raise it up, no fuel will come out of the carb. When you drop, the float gas should come out. I have seen many of these engines have the float valve corrode and stick.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.